Welcome, Catalysts, to a transformative journey where the profound teachings of the 48 Laws of Power intertwine with the timeless wisdom of The Art of War by Sun Tzu. Today, we embark on an exploration of the first 8 laws, unraveling their significance and uncovering practical applications that empower you to navigate the intricate realm of power dynamics.
Law 1. Never outshine the master.
In the art of power, understanding hierarchy is paramount. This law urges us to exercise caution and restraint, ensuring we do not overshadow those in positions of authority. Just as Sun Tzu advises respecting the chain of command, we must navigate our environments with tact, radiating our light subtly rather than seeking to outshine our superiors. By recognizing their power and complementing their achievements, we forge alliances and cultivate respect, positioning ourselves strategically within the power structure.
Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends.
Sun Tzu cautions against the dangers of excessive trust, emphasizing the need for discernment in selecting allies. Similarly, this law reminds us to be mindful of whom we confide in. While friendships can be valuable assets, revealing our secrets to the wrong person can lead to betrayal and vulnerability. Instead, exercise discretion, sharing only what is necessary while remaining vigilant in protecting your interests.
Law 3. Conceal your intentions.
Strategic deception is a cornerstone of both texts. Sun Tzu encourages us to maintain a veil of mystery, leaving opponents guessing. Similarly, this law advises us to conceal our intentions, strategically revealing information on a need-to-know basis. By keeping others uncertain of our true objectives, we retain an element of surprise and maintain an advantageous position.
Law 4. Always say less than necessary.
Words hold power, and their strategic use can shape the perception of others. Sun Tzu's emphasis on economical communication aligns with this law, urging us to choose our words carefully. By practicing brevity, we control the narrative, leaving others yearning for more information. Mastering the art of silence empowers us to listen actively, gather valuable insights, and wield our words with precision when the time is right. Law 5. So much depends on reputation. Reputation acts as a currency in the realm of power. Just as Sun Tzu stresses the importance of cultivating a strong reputation, this law advises us to proactively shape our image. By cultivating a reputation of integrity, expertise, and dependability, we establish ourselves as formidable individuals, attracting opportunities and alliances that elevate our influence.
Law 6. Court attention at all costs.
Both texts acknowledge the importance of capturing attention and leaving a lasting impression. Sun Tzu's concept of captivating spectacles aligns with this law, urging us to create compelling experiences that captivate and engage others. By crafting captivating narratives and experiences, we become catalysts of change, inspiring others to take notice and align with our vision. Law 7. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Strategic delegation is a common thread woven throughout both books. Sun Tzu acknowledges the power of utilizing the strengths of others to achieve victory. Similarly, this law advises us to harness the capabilities of those around us while ensuring that credit for accomplishments finds its way into our hands. By skillfully orchestrating tasks and projects, we empower others while positioning ourselves as the driving force behind their success.
Law 8. Make other people come to you.
Strategic positioning lies at the heart of this law. Just as Sun Tzu advocates for choosing the battleground, we are encouraged to position ourselves as centers of gravity. By radiating a magnetic presence, captivating others' attention, and offering value that is difficult to resist, we become the focal point of influence. The art lies in cultivating an air of exclusivity that draws others towards us, opening doors to collaboration and opportunities. Catalysts, we have explored the first 8 laws, uncovering their intricate connections with the teachings of The Art of War. By weaving together these timeless principles, we equip ourselves with the tools necessary to navigate complex power dynamics, seize opportunities, and shape our destinies. Join us in our next episode as we continue our journey through the remaining laws. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link in the description to secure your own copy of these influential books. Together, let us unleash our power and ignite transformation in our lives.